Master Massage Universal Wheeled Massage Table Carry Case. This isn't just a rolling cart for your table. This is a massage table carrying case with wheels. While one of the above reviewed carts is fantastic if you already have a case for your table, this particular model is a great way to simplify the products you need to buy. It's incredibly affordable, and Master Massage is a well-known manufacturer of good, quality massage furniture and accessories. This is why we're naming this one the best massage table on a budget. It's made of a sturdy 100% nylon fabric and fits any brand of folding massage table, as long as it's between 28 inches and 31 inches. It's reinforced along the bottom, making it extra durable, and comes with a 1-year guarantee. The thick straps make it very easy to carry upstairs, and buckles around the side and top keep your table secure within. It also has handles on both the top of the case and at the corner, making it easy to guide as you wheel it around. At less than 8 pounds, this case is lightweight and a great choice for portability. The wheels aren't the most powerful, so if you tend to transport over uneven ground or walk long distances, you may be better off with one of the other reviewed carts. But the good news is there are plenty of compartments to store all of your needed accessories, and the hardware is built from high-quality metal as opposed to plastic. Here are the pros. Very affordable, minimizes gear needed, plenty of storage compartments, lightweight, sturdy fabric for durability. And here are the cons. Wheels aren't very sturdy, only fits a specific size table.